Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? Yes, you heard that right. Now let's dive right into this peculiar cosmic phenomenon. Venus, our neighboring planet, has an unusually slow rotation on its axis. It takes Venus around 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation. This rotation is so slow that it's outpaced by Venus's own orbit around the Sun, which only takes about 225 Earth days. So, in simpler terms, Venus spins around its own axis slower than it revolves around the Sun. This means a day on Venus, the time it takes for the Sun to return to the same place in the sky, is longer than its year. Astoundingly, Venus is the only planet in our solar system where a day lasts longer than a year. So the next time you complain about a long day, imagine living on Venus. Picture this. A blue whale's heart is so big that a human could swim through its arteries. Can you imagine that? We're stepping into the realm of the giants, a world where the heart of a creature is so colossal that it's almost unthinkable. Now let's get a sense of the scale we're talking about here. The heart of a blue whale weighs in at a staggering 400 pounds. That's about the same weight as 2 baby elephants or a small piano. It's around the size of a compact car and could hold roughly 600 liters of blood. That's enough to fill a hot tub. But it's not just about the size. This enormous heart pumps blood with such force that it could squirt blood more than 30 feet. It's like a powerful fire hydrant, gushing life through the gigantic body of the whale. Every beat of this heart is a testament to the blue whale's incredible size. It beats just 5 to 6 times per minute when the whale is at the surface. That's less than once every 10 seconds. When the whale dives, its heart rate can slow to as few as 2 beats per minute. That's a heartbeat every 30 seconds. This giant heart is a marvel of natural engineering, perfectly designed to support the whale's massive size. It sends blood coursing through arteries so wide, a human could swim through them. It's a complex and efficient system that allows the blue whale, the largest creature on Earth, to thrive in the vast oceans. It's a testament to the beauty of nature and its capacity for sheer scale and complexity. It's a reminder that we live in a world full of wonders, where giants swim in our oceans and their heartbeats echo through the deep. So, if you ever feel small, just remember the heart of a blue whale. A pistol shrimp can create a sound louder than a jet engine. Yes, a shrimp. Now let's dive a little deeper into this intriguing fact. The pistol shrimp, also known as the snapping shrimp, is a small crustacean with a big secret weapon. It has a large claw that it can snap shut with such speed that it creates a high-pressure bubble. This bubble rapidly collapses, and in the process, it produces a shock wave that can stun or even kill small prey. This shock wave, my friends, is the source of the shrimp's infamous sonic boom. The sound this tiny creature generates can reach a staggering 218 decibels. To put that into perspective, a jet engine at takeoff, which is loud enough to cause physical pain or even hearing loss, registers at around 150 decibels. The shrimp's sonic boom isn't just louder than a jet engine, it's louder than a rock concert, a firecracker, and even a gunshot. It's the loudest sound produced by any marine animal, and it's one of the loudest sounds in the ocean. But why does the pistol shrimp need to create such a racket? Well, it uses this sonic boom for various purposes. It's a hunting tool, a means of communication, and a defense mechanism. The shrimp can stun its prey, communicate with other shrimps, and ward off predators with its sonic boom. And here's another fun fact. The snap of the shrimp's claw is so powerful that it momentarily heats the water around it to nearly the temperature of the sun. That's right, this little shrimp can create temperatures hotter than lava, all in the snap of a claw. So, the next time you think about the loud, powerful jet engine, remember the pistol shrimp. A tiny creature that holds the power to create a sonic boom louder than a jet engine, temperatures hotter than lava, and shock waves that stun its prey. Who knew something so small could make such a huge noise? Never underestimate the power of the small. Ants wage wars, and they have soldiers and workers just like humans do. In the bustling world of ants, these tiny titans have built an intricate social system that mirrors our own. Each ant colony is a superorganism, a single entity made up of individual workers, each with a role to play in the colony's survival. At the heart of this society are 2 key classes of ants: the soldiers and the workers. Now, soldier ants, these are the muscle of the colony. They're larger, stronger, and their jaws, or mandibles, are powerful weapons designed for combat. These brave defenders stand guard at the entrances to the mound, ready to attack any intruders. When the colony is under threat, they are the first to charge into battle, using their formidable mandibles to bite and sting their adversaries. But while the soldiers are the colony's defense, The workers are its lifeblood. These ants are smaller, and their duties include gathering food, maintaining the nest and caring for the young. They are the builders, the gatherers, the nurses of the ant world. They venture out in search of food, often following scent trails laid down by others, and return with their bounty to feed the colony. The division of labor in ant colonies is a marvel of nature, a testament to the power of cooperation and organization. Each ant knows its role and performs it diligently, contributing to the overall success of the colony. Despite their small size, ants are capable of creating vast, complex structures and sustaining large populations, all thanks to their incredible social structure. And when it comes to warfare, ants are no strangers to the battlefield. They wage wars for territory, resources, and survival. Battles can be fierce and deadly, with soldier ants clashing mandibles and workers rushing to evacuate the young and the queen. It's a sight to behold, an epic battle unfolding at our feet, in the undergrowth, unseen and unappreciated by most of us. So, the next time you see an ant, remember it might just be heading off to battle. Scene script. An octopus can camouflage itself in 0.7 seconds. Blink, and you might miss it. Now isn't that a marvel? But how does this 8-armed wonder achieve such a feat? Well, the octopus has a network of specialized cells just beneath its skin surface. These cells, known as chromatophores, contain pigments of various colors. When the octopus changes its mood or needs to blend into its surroundings, its brain sends signals to these chromatophores. In a blink, they expand or contract to alter the colors displayed on the octopus's skin. But that's just part of the story. The octopus doesn't only change color, it can also change the texture of its skin. Beneath the chromatophores, there are cells called papillae that can stretch or shrink, giving the skin a new texture. So an octopus can mimic not just the color but also the physical texture of its surroundings, be it the rocky ocean floor or the smooth surface of a coral reef. Why does the octopus need such a complex camouflage mechanism, you ask? The answer lies in its soft, squishy body. Without a hard shell or strong bones to protect it, the octopus is vulnerable to predators, so it relies on its ability to hide in plain sight, a master of disguise in the big blue sea. But the octopus's camouflage serves another purpose too. It's a cunning hunter that uses its ability to blend in to stalk its prey. Imagine one moment you're a fish, swimming around minding your own business. The next, you're lunch for a previously invisible octopus. Quite the surprise, wouldn't you say? In conclusion, the octopus is a remarkable creature, possessing one of the most effective and quickest camouflage systems in the animal kingdom. It's a testament to the wonders of evolution and the amazing diversity of life in our oceans. So, if you're ever playing hide-and-seek with an octopus, you might want to reconsider your chances. Imagine a world where you can smell colors or see sounds. Picture this: the sharp tang of yellow, the sweet aroma of violet, the low hum of red, or the jazz rhythm of a Picasso painting. This isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie, but the reality for some extraordinary individuals living with a condition known as synesthesia. Synesthesia paints an intriguing portrait of sensory experience, where the boundaries between the senses blur and intertwine, creating a symphony of perceptions. It's a world where numbers have personalities, days of the week take on hues, and musical notes can taste like chocolate or strawberries. It's a world that challenges our understanding of perception and reality, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the vast potential of the human brain. Does it sound like an adventure you'd want to embark on? Well, you're in luck. Intrigued? Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for our next video exploring the fascinating world of synesthesia.